Welcome to OCP TV, the newsroom for the Open Compute Project Foundation. I'm Laura Noland at the 2020 OCP Virtual Summit. Joining me today is Jihyo Lee, co-founder and CEO of Fadu Technology. Welcome to OCP TV, Jihyo.
Thank you very much for inviting me. I'm very happy to join in this OCP Virtual Summit today.
And we're glad you're here. We'd love for you to tell our viewers about Fadu Technology and what you do.
So we are the startup. We are making the data center SSD. So while the industries are looking for the new innovation, we are delivering the innovation in SSD area.
Jihyo, you are exhibiting for the first time at the OCP Summit. Tell us what you plan to share with attendees.
Now we think that the OCP is really important because before then, while this industry is led by the incumbent supplier side, but the supplier is somewhat lazy about introducing the new product, particularly recent couple of years. So now the customers is looking for the new thing and they keep asking about getting the new stuff. But while the supplier is not really ready to introduce the new thing, so customers start asking a lot of different things. So for example, in the case of SSD, while we are trying to develop the one product, so many different customers are asking different stuff. So now the customer's voice is really fragmented. So as an SSD company, it's really difficult to deliver the appropriate product for the customer because we need to develop thousands of products which is asked by each individual customers. But we believe that OCP is really important initiative because it can gather all voice of customers. So now we can really focus on what is really important in this industry. So through the OCP participation, we expect that we can get very streamlined customer's voice, and then we can focus on what real industry is looking for. Through that, we can streamline our resources, then we can innovate our product much faster and much more efficient way. Then we can deliver more value to our customer. That's what we are looking for the OCP Summit.
Wonderful, well said. I know that you're planning to do a lot of collaboration and networking and sharing, as you mentioned. So, and aligning that customer focus with the technology, what do you hope to take away from this year's summit specifically that maybe you can apply back at Fadu Technology?
So in terms of the SSD side, OCP recently introduced the U1.S form factor. We believe that that is really important innovation about the enterprise SSD. Before then, as I explained, there are so many different form factors required. M.2, U.2, the AIC, all different form factors are competing each other. But there is no one really golden standard about that. M.2 has their own issue, U.2 has their own issue, and the AIC also has their own issue. But because every single customer asking the different stuff, we cannot focus on certain thing. But throughout the U1.S, we believe that now that everyone really know what is the real requirement for the SSD industry. Then, as I said, we can focus on U1.S development. So we would like to introduce our U1.S product much faster than any other competitor. And I hope that entire OCP participant can enjoy our innovative U1.S product from this year. We are really excited to introduce our new product this year.
Jihyo, you talked earlier about really aligning the customer focus with the technology solutions through OCP and through the virtual summit. Mm-hmm. What were the initial findings why you chose to be part of the OCP community?
So before that, we tried to join a lot of the industry associations. But what we found was most of the industry associations are led by supplier side. Supplier side usually focusing on gradual improvement. But it was good in the past, but now the industry is moving really fast, and the customers are not really ready to get the appropriate product from the supplier because suppliers are somewhat lagging behind about the innovations. So now customers are looking for the place to speak out their voices. I think that OCP is a really great place to gather the all customers' voice. Then supplier can easily understand what the customers are looking for. So it seems that it sounds to me that past industries, somewhat more about the supply-driven industry, but now it's moving to the customer-driven industry. I believe that OCP is within that kind of the momentum, and we believe that OCP would be a really great place to drive that kind of changes.
Where can our viewers go to learn more?
So throughout this OCP Virtual Summit, we will have the virtual booth. So if you can visit our virtual booth, you can easily check out our new product you want to test drive. That will show the really great stuff, including our performance, the temperature differences, power differences. So I really encourage you to visit our virtual booth and visit our website. And I really look forward to meeting throughout our virtual tour. Thank you very much.
We look forward to it. You heard it from Jihyo. We know where to find Fadu Technology. So thank you so much for your time today, Jihyo. It's been a pleasure.
Thank you.
And thank you, viewers, for tuning into OCP TV. Enjoy the virtual show.